the smell of fresh Bottega in the morning.
My dream bag, guys. Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Emma, back with another video. Notice anything different about me? Well, I've gone more brunette. I'm very happy about it. When I grow my hair luscious and long, like Rapunzel. But you know, it's gonna take some time. There's a few very special occasions coming up. First of all, it's my birthday. It's my birthday, kind of. It's the birthday of all women. It's Women's Day. If you don't celebrate Women's Day, well, after watching this video, you're definitely gonna wanna celebrate it. You're missing out. Okay, let's start with this gift from Van Cleef. It is heavy. Let me show you this beautiful box. So I was very surprised to receive this on Women's Day. What could it be? It is this beautiful collection of perfumes, and I adore the Van Cleef perfumes. In fact, my favorite one is the Gardenia one. So stunning. This little set includes Precious Oud, Amber Imperial, and Bois d'Iris, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I don't know what accent that was. Let's try this one. Yes, more. Oh yes. Has so many beautiful scents, like a vanilla, a musk, an oud. Beautiful. I thought this would make an incredible gift for someone. I'm not re-gifting it. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying that if I was to get a gift for someone, I would definitely look into getting this little set because first of all, it's not little and it's heavy and it just comes in the most beautiful presentation. Definitely a great gift. I love that. Next thing I want to show you arrived from Harrods. You can take a girl out of Harrods, but you can't take Harrods out of the girl. No, seriously, I really miss that store. You know, I would go, even if I wasn't buying anything, just window shopping, you know, go for a little coffee, maybe even an eyebrow wax or something. Harrods, as materialistic as this is gonna sound, is my happy place. Because I didn't grow up in London, I didn't grow up around designer stores. I grew up in a little town in Devon. I was like 18, maybe 19 before I got my first designer handbag. Whenever we would make a trip to London, it was always so exciting going to Harrods, seeing the Princess Diana Memorial, going to the Chicago Rib Shack, which was my favorite place, and going down Sloane Street with my little handbag. So, tapped by the box. Okay, as you may have seen from the box, it is from Prada. Wanted these, they're not easy to come by, very sought after. Okay, I'm just gonna show you, okay. It is the new white Prada boots. How stunning are these? These white ones are perfect. I'll wear them so much in the spring, summer. Spring, summer is here. So excited about that. And I have them in black. I unboxed them in my video and I got them as a gift and they are amazing. They are a little bit small, so I keep my little Compeed plasters in here. So with these boots, I wanted to size up. So I bought a 40 in these. They're a little bit too big. So I bought another pair in a 39.5. I had to get them from London because that's where I have my contact. And they're not in the stores here until another month. So we can't wait that long. So I have them in a 14 and 39.5. It explains why I have these two Prada boxes. And these international parcels. These were very hard to find because they were sold out everywhere. It's from Nike. These are the Nike Air Force trainers and they are called the Valentine Love Letter. I think they're gorgeous. Be so easy to style. I'm hoping that they fit. They will fit. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. The next item is from Bottega Veneta. I had it shipped via Net-a-Porter and I wanted this bag for a while and I was like really unsure about what to get it. It was like, Emma, it's like carrying around 5 kilograms of weight. You don't want to get it, but I don't have a shoulder. Well, I'm gonna unbox it and then I'll talk to you about it. My dream bag, guys. Guess what's inside? How cool is this? So beautiful, I love it. Perfect color for spring, summer. I'm gonna be wearing it so much. You can also wear it like this, or even crossbody. What do we think? It is the Bottega Veneta cassette bag. And I just love this chain detailing. They do this cassette style bag without the gold chain, but it's the gold chain that makes it. And it's this gorgeous interlaced leather, which is just a signature of Bottega. It's quilted, it's padded. It's a little bit bulky, but I don't mind that. I also couldn't decide on the color. I really wanted to go for a neutral color bag that would go with a lot of different things. I looked at the nude color. I don't have a nude bag. I don't know why. I think I'm not really 100% on the color of nude because it's so similar to my own skin tone. I'm just a bit like, I'm not sure. But then I saw it in white and I asked them to put it on reserve for me. And I went ahead with the purchase. Apart from my Hermes Kelly, all I have with me is Bottega bags. They're just the bag right now. I would say it is a little bit heavy with the chain, but I'm used to carrying a heavy bag around because I put my camera, my batteries in it, and inside it is like that. It's so stylish, cool, and trendy. I'd love to know what you think, guys. I love this purchase. Very happy with that. Oh! Darling.
Can I go online shopping again?
You weren't meant to see it. I thought you were sleeping.
Where's the bottom part of your look?
It's a dress. Darling,
It's all the shopping. And you decided to show the camera before you showed it to me?
well, the thing is, darling, I
I thought your audience means you more than I do.
No, it's not true. It's just...
The heartbeat of an influencer girlfriend.
What do you think?
Nah.
What?
No, I like it. It's very stylish. Can I feel it?
Yes. Impressions?
I love the smell of fresh Bottega in the morning.
You haven't seen this one, have you? Do you like them?
I do.
What do you think?
They're cool. They're very nice. Yeah, big fan.
They look so real, right?
Are they supposed to be fake?
What do you think?
No, they're in the Prada box. Of course they're real. Wait, but Prada doesn't do that little sleeve.
They look so real, right?
They are real. Let me smell them.
The smelling test.
You came from Paris. They're not real. They're fake.
Do you feel happier now?
No, honestly. They don't smell like real leather shoes.
They smell like plastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
They smell like cheap plastic.
I'll meet you up there. Okay. He actually thinks it's fake. It's better that way, he thinks it's fake. Okay, so that's it for today's vlog, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to know which of the items that I got was your favorite. Was it the Nike Air Forces? Was it the Prada boots? Was it the Bottega bag? Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. Also, if you want to see more of my vlogs, then give this video a big thumbs up. Also, my next video coming up is all about my weight transformation. I gained a lot of weight in quarantine. I put out far less content. I went from being bloated, looking puffy, to getting back in shape after 2 weeks. And I'm going to talk about how I put on the weight, and then what foods and exercise I did to lose the weight, how I got my mindset right. And if you don't want to miss out on that video, hit that subscribe button below, come join the family, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Be scared.